Here is the Camp Chef 4-burner flat top grill. I forget what model number it is, but they have a 6, 4, and a 3-burner model. This one here is a heavy gauge steel flat top griddle, enamel coated grill grates, pre-seasoned non-stick surface, cooking surface of 19.5 inches by 31 inches. That's a total of 604.5 square inches. Each burner is 12,000 BTUs and they're stainless steel, and also matchless ignition on each burner. Each of those side shelves are 19 by 15 inches. And also there's a grease management, a nice grease bucket, then there's also one down below that. Then the wheels. So you can roll it around, 2 nice shelves below. The other legs have some screw out levelers on it. It's nice construction. You can see the stainless steel burners run front to back, provide nice even cooking. But I'm not going to use it much for the grill, so I'll take those porcelain grates off and just set them aside. I'm going to use it mostly for the flat top, which is right here. It's on its side. Thing's heavier than hell. This came in 2 packages, the grill in one package and then the griddle in another box. You go ahead and see it. On the back side it has that diffuser like the other flat top griddles they had, the professional series. I think this thing weighs probably about 60 pounds, I don't know, maybe 50 pounds. If you hear that running in the background, that is the Smoke Pro Double XL. I got 4.5 pounds of beef jerky and 25 pounds of summer sausage on there. I'll give you a quick peek. There you go. Close it up. Well, the Camp Chef now has been running on low, what, for 7 minutes here? Just getting everything, kind of realizing, hey, I'm getting heated up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it to high. I'm going to covering of canola oil and let it burn off, and then I'm going to cover it again with canola oil, let it burn off, cover it again maybe, and then I am going to cook 3 pounds of bacon. Let's go ahead and talk about the size here a little bit on this flat top. So we're looking at just under 19 inches deep by 31 inches long. So plenty cooking surface. That's a total of 604.5 square inches. I definitely feel it getting hot now with the burners on high. There goes the canola oil. You can hear how rough the surface is. You do want to make sure you get the sides and everything. You can see the hot spots where that other bottom plate was welded on. You can also see the grease does not run back like some of the other flat tops. Okay, coming up on 16 minutes here. All I did during that camera break is I just smeared the existing canola oil around. This time I'll let it burn off. It's almost done that already. 21 minutes. You can see how much blacker it's gotten already. Of course, I still have the burners on high. I'm going to go ahead and dump some more canola oil on there. Smear it around. Obviously being super careful. This time I'll use the tongs. You know, they do come pre-seasoned, so you don't have to do this. But we are going to get this thing Nice and black. Some of those imperfections filled in. Let's go ahead and let it sit for a while again. Okay, it was at 26.5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and scrape it clean. What are we? Almost 30 minutes in, 29 3/4 minutes in. Let's go ahead and do a little more canola oil. Remember, it's still on high. You can see how much blacker the surface got. And also all the irregularities showed up too. Alright, same thing. Here we are at 35 minutes. Just got done kind of smearing it around. You can definitely hear it's not as scratchy as it was before. So some of those imperfections have gotten filled in. Go ahead and do is just put a little more canola oil on it. And this will be the last time. Once this burns off, I'll go ahead and turn the heat down a little bit so I can scrape it clean. Coming up on 41 minutes. There's my 3 packages of irregular sliced bacon. You can definitely see how much blacker it is now. Then also the last time I was running the spatula on it, you could feel how much smoother it became. Let's go ahead and scrape it clean. "48 minutes for those that want to know. We're going to go ahead and put a little more canola oil on there. And we're going to go ahead and put the bacon on. Remember, I got it on low right now. We'll go ahead and turn it up to medium. No plastic, please. Makes it irregular slices. I was expecting worse. No leaks. Seems to be cooking pretty even, but I definitely do not have it level. This front left corner could come up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and shut everything off. And that's how I add an additional seasoning to your Camp Chef flat top. Remember, I picked out most of the big pieces. And the crunchy bits. Alrighty. Well, the grill has had plenty of time to cool. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it clean with the paper towel, making sure my paper towel does not fall apart as I'm wiping. You can see it's quite a bit blacker. It's smoother to the touch too with the spatula and stuff. Once again, thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Camp Chef, just click on the link in the description.